I got a 2021 Chevy Tahoe, and we are going to be going through how to replace this rear bumper reflector. I don't know if you guys can see it right there in red. Right here are the list of tools I use to replace the bumper reflector on a 2021 Chevy Tahoe. Going from right to left, a plastic clip removal tool, a cordless ratchet with a 10mm socket, an extension, a 7mm socket, a T15 and T20 starboard sockets. Okay, we're gonna start by opening the tailgate here. And we're gonna have two T15 bolts here. Let's go ahead and take those out. Okay, I'm gonna take a clip removal tool. Kind of just finagle it out. Now there are gonna be some clips down here. You wanna take your tool and pry away to keep from breaking those tabs on this trim molding. Okay, remember those two clips down there. Take my T15. I'm also gonna have to remove this molding here. So that I could get to another bolt, which is back here, which is holding this headlight on. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna take this light now. Should be able to come free now. Okay, gonna go ahead, remove all of these because I have to lift up on these tabs here of that bumper cover to get it to come off. And because these are LED lights, take this red tab here, push it out. Once you're able to push that red tab out, press down on this tab and wiggle it out. You kind of want to twist to the left with all these bulbs. They should all come free. Once you got them free, go ahead and sit this to the side. All right, we're gonna come to the side and we're gonna remove this 7mm. Okay, we are also gonna remove this T15 here, this T15 here, and another 7mm here. 7mm. T15s. We're gonna peel back this fender liner which is going to give us access to another 7mm, which is right here. So let's go ahead and take that one out. Okay, we're going to come back to the side. There's also going to be a 7mm here. Let's go ahead and remove that 7mm. Okay, we got another 10mm at the bottom of the bumper. Go ahead and remove it. We're gonna go on the other side and do the exact same thing. We're also gonna have 10mm sockets along the bottom of the bumper. 4 10mm sockets. All right, we're gonna grab the end of this bumper here and firmly tug away. And while we're doing that, we want to lift up on here because these are tabs up here and we don't want to rip the bumper. Okay, now while I'm grabbing that bumper, I'm gonna lift up on these tabs here that we're holding that rear bumper cover in. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side as well. So keep in mind there is gonna be a wire harness connector here. So you wanna press this black tab in. Once that black tab is pressed in, you wanna take this white lever here. And slide it over that black tab. That should release it. All right, I'm going to take a T20 star bit to remove the bumper reflector bolts holding that bumper reflector. And this bumper reflector should just fall right out. Here it is. And let's go in with the new one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my new marker light back in. And while holding this side, I'll go ahead and put my screws in on the other side. Start those screws. Okay, we're gonna double check to make sure everything is fitting correctly. Marker light is also in place, it fits flush. Now we can go back down with our bumper cover. See that connector, that wire connector? grab this and make sure we get these to snap on that tab. While doing that, you want to make sure that this bracket here, make sure that you raise up on the bumper cover enough to slide that in place. So grab the bumper cover anywhere at the bottom, lift up, slide that in place. Come here to the side, make sure everything's lined up, and then we'll snap it into place. Now we can put our screws and bolts back in. Put our screws back in at the bottom. Now what I like to do is start all 4 of them and then come back and tighten them all down. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go ahead and start all 4. Okay, we have our 7mm back in. Okay, the 7mm screw goes here. I'm gonna go ahead and start that screw. 2 starboard screws go here and here. Let's go ahead and put those in and start them. There's also another 7mm that goes down here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and put that in as well. I'm gonna use my 7mm here. T15 star bit. I'm gonna go back to the bottom and put another star bit in right here. I'm gonna take my headlight, tail light here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together. Now be sure to keep in mind how it went together off of how you took it apart. So let's go ahead and twist it to the right to lock it in. Same thing here. Twist to the right, lock it in. And twist to the right to lock it in. We're gonna take our wire harness, make sure we snap it in on those holders. Take our wire connector here. Be sure to push it in as far as it goes. Press that tab in, and that should let you know that it's nice and tight because it won't come back out. Let's go ahead and line this up. Now keep in mind that there are guides for this. Here, tail lights. So try to make sure that you line those up, those guide rods with these holes here. We want to do the same thing on this side. Line those guides up with that guide here with that hole. You also want to make sure that you slide the top under. put our screws in here and up there. All right, I'm gonna take my T15 here with my extension in here at the bottom. Now go ahead and put my starboard in here at the top. I'm gonna go ahead and slot my cover back in. Slide it back in. Just like that. Okay. Now we're gonna put our lower cover back in. You can see this tab here. Gotta make sure we insert it right in that area there. Once we know that, also make sure that these tabs here are correctly placed into these holes. You can take this clip removal tool and gently take that lift, tuck it under there. Let's go ahead and put our star back in here. We're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side.